I just will wake up today and then I'm going to make my favorite sandwiches. I'm going to make veggie bowl sandwich. We got some vegetables, there's cucumber and some carrots and some cream cheese and some jam and one cheese. You need to cut the edges just like this. And now we take this bread and roll it with the roller. This bread is so smooth and I'm wrapping it. I'm done. I'm going to take this bread and I put it in the plate. Now we need to take another bread. I'm going to roll it. Rolling, 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 rolling. Rolling. We need to make it flat just like this one. Take one cheese first. And you put it like this.
Take a lot of if you like.
I'm gonna put some cucumber now. Oh. The vegetables need to be right here, and now I'm going to take the cream cheese. Got one cream cheese. Put it right here.
In the edge.
In the edge.
Why we put the cream cheese, Devansh?
For the sandwich stick.
Good. Can you roll it now? Are you ready for a roll?
Yeah. I'm going to roll it. Sandwich roll. This is what it looks like inside. You can just eat it like this. Or you can cut it. Like this we cut it. I got one. I'm going to keep them in the plate. You can put any vegetables you want in this circle sandwich. Carrots.
You like carrots?
Yeah.
Is ready?
Yeah.
Can I taste one?
No. We still have to make.
Why?
Because they're not done.
Okay, do it.
Now making the jam roll. I'm going to apply cream cheese first. I apply the cream cheese.
Now what you have to do?
We need to put the jam.
Okay.
Be careful with this jam. I take a spoon and I pour it and spread. Don't put the edges. Now I'm going to roll, baby. The rolling is over and we're going to cut it. I'm going to cut it with my knife. See? It's spilling. Very scared about that. Done cutting. Cutting is down there. My sandwich is ready.
Who came there?
Cutting. Veggie roll and the sandwich roll is ready, and here's the catty. Meow.
There's a catty?
Meow.
Oh, yeah. And are you going to taste now?
Yeah.
Which one you are going to taste first?
I want to taste the catty.
Fast.
You have to taste your sandwiches.
And the sandwiches? Oh, good.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. I'm going to taste this sandwich. Oh.
What taste it?
Jam.
Sweet?
Yeah.
Or spicy?
Sweet.
Is it spicy?
Sweet.
You like spicy?
No.
Can you share with me one? Sharing is always good, no?
Yeah.
Can you share one?
I'm going to taste the catty.
Okay.
This is just made with vegetables and cheese and carrots and jam.
Amy, thank you.
Now we're going to make the fruit salad. First, we toast the bread with the butter. I'm going to put the bread. We can toast it on the pan or in the toaster.
Why you are toasting here now?
Because I want lots of butter. Now help us to toast the bread.
Yeah.
I'm going to toast this bread in the toaster. Only one. Put it right there. This works. You push this down. Like this way, it works. Can see the hardness?
Yes.
The red is the hardness. going to make the fruit sandwiches.
Which fruits have you have?
I have chocolate.
Okay.
And I have kiwis,
Okay.
bananas, apples,
Apple. Okay.
and some chocolate sauce.
Chocolate sauce. Okay.
And this is from the toaster. And this one is from the pan. The fruit sauce. I want to put banana. Kiwi. I'm done decorating. I'm going to put the chocolate sauce. I'm going to put I'm decorating with chocolate. Ready to eat? Now we're going to make the mushroom sandwich.
Okay.
Cutting the mushrooms, be careful with the knife
Why?
because you'll get hurt.
Oh.
Just like I do. It looks like a half tree, right?
There is a full tree.
Full tree.
Oh, that is the portrait.
This is also a full tree.
Where is the fruits in the tree?
Inside the tree. Now I cut already. Fry them in the back. I'm gonna mix this. I'm breaking the butter. Now I'm adding the mushrooms. Woo, woo. Woo-hoo. Yeah. You can mix anyway. Now I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Put the salt. I'm gonna spread it. It's the pepper and the mushroom. Mushroom fries ready, and they're so small. Mama's filling the mushroom in the sandwich. Now I'm going to put the cheese. Close it with the oven. Now Mama going to toast the sandwich. Can I put it?
Yeah.
Okay. Mom's helping to burn the sandwich. Now the mushroom sandwich is ready. Cook. This is a mushroom sandwich. Ooh, wow. This is stretchy and oh, mushrooms. You can see the mushroom inside. Mushroom inside.
Come on, Jan.
It looks like pizza.
It look like a pizza, a mushroom pizza. Yeah, come on.
Wow.
It's so hot.
Still hard. You like it? Hard?
Yeah.
Next time eat very slow, okay?
Cheddar cheese and this mozzarella cheese. Now I'm making a cheese sandwich. She's gonna put this one or this one.
Can I help you put it?
No, it's gonna put both of them.
Yeah, put it.
I'm gonna put right here.
Yeah, of course.
I'm putting some oregano. I want this squished. That. Close it. So the heat can't go outside. There's one hole so we can get the cheese to melt inside. My cheese sandwich is ready. See the cheese inside. And see the cheese inside. What?
Cheesy sandwich.
Yeah, that's very sticky. Ah!
You like it?
This is all for me.
For Papa? One Mama or Devansh? For me? You like Devansh?
Yeah.
Is your favorite?
Yeah. It's very stretchy and sticky. It's very stretchy and sticky. I can play more with the balloon.
Why?
I eat a lot of sandwiches. This is all my favorite sandwich.
Bye bye.
Watching, subscribe my channel.